What happens if we get you right here, huh? What happens, huh? Your mama said if you get him right here, he giggles. She said if you get him right here, he giggles a little bit. You get him right here. Right here. She said, right here, he might chuckle. Yeah, and then she said, tickling right there under his left arm. He chuckles. And she said, oh, he chuckles. You get him. The right arm doesn't do anything. It's the left one. She said, right there. Yeah? Stop tickling it right there under this arm, Dad. Right there under this arm. I know, right there. Ooh. Say, wave hello to everybody. Hi, everybody. I put my hand right in my mouth. Oh, goodness.